Hello, friends. Myself Kumar Sultan Ali, and I welcome you all on my YouTube channel, Decoding of Laws. Guys, in my last video, I discussed about the common concerns of the freshers and who took admission into DLLB 2022. So, extending our discussion in this video, I would like to talk about what other things the freshers, or in fact second year students also, could work upon to add value to their character, to add value to the CV and develop their personality. And being a law student, our discussion would revolve around the legal profession only, whether being into any law firm or joining any litigation, being an independent litigator, or going for judiciary. So there, although there are many jobs and profession for uh, a legal student or a lawyer, but all the skills which I would be talking about would commonly cover all the professions would be needed in any profession related to legal background. So I request you to be with me, and I request you all to please share this video with your all peers, whomsoever be it in any section or any center. So let's get started. So guys, what happened is that as a law student, I remember the quote of the former Chief Justice of India, N.V. Ramanna ji. He, in an interview, said that a lawyer, because he needs to guide his clients, he should be aware of almost everything. Though, although it is not possible for a person to be an expert in every field related to business, commerce, or anything, but a lawyer should at least know the basics and should have that much of knowledge that he could at least guide his clients related to any issues. Because in legal profession also, when you are an independent litigator, you don't know a client's case could relate to which field. Like it could be related to medical negligence, they could be economic offenses. So a person who is into litigation should know the basics of economy, accounts, commerce, and it could be if it's a case related to medical negligence, then a little knowledge of biology would come handy. So basically, what I want first point is that a lawyer should at least be aware of basics of almost everything which the persons normally encounter, like the finances, economic. At least, in fact, it is better to be like, for example, if you are you could guide your client related to economics or finances, then the probability of your progressing would increase. So it's a better that you also know that. And if you do not, then it's your choice, then your jurisdiction would be limited to a small circle of people. Like, for example, uh, he's an very famous advocate, Harish Salveji. So as a professional, before being an advocate, he was a CA. So that background, that commerce background of him, helped him getting clients of big corporates. He fought cases of Reliance, of taxes, and so many. So this is how your knowledge in the legal background helps you. Like, for example, if you are related from, if you have any knowledge of biology or physics, then you could get easily cases of medical negligence. And in fact, the knowledge of little knowledge of biology would work for you. Like, for example, because testimonial in murder cases or in injury or grievous hurt cases, like testimony, you have to cross examine or examine the expert opinion of doctors, scientists. So this is how it helps you progress in your career. Like, before gaining knowledge, the first and foremost important thing for a law student, a lawyer, or a judge is that he should have a command over the languages. English is very important if you want to work in judiciary, especially in high court and supreme courts. And local languages only work in the local courts, district courts. So if you want to work in metropolitan cities or in high courts and supreme court, be it lawyer, be it judge, you need to be fluent in English. All right. And for a judge, you should also be very equivocal in terms of writing. You should be able to express, because the judges have to appreciate the reports, all right, and they have to write judgments. So first point is that key all the students should work upon their language, because I have seen many students, they really struggle with the language issue. They are unable to communicate in English especially, and also the local languages in this which they speak is they are not very good at writing also. So work upon your local language in whichever state you belong to, and if you want to go for judiciary or higher judiciary or advocacy in big firms and Supreme Court or High Court, then you should be very well versed with the English language. So first upon language, second should be that you should expose yourself. You should get yourself an exposure to almost every subject, every topic which you want you could get. Like for example, if you like for example, I'm from commerce background, so I have little knowledge of economics, accountancy. So if I choose taxation, then it would be helpful for me, and at one point time or other it would be uh, it could be a career boost in my professional life. So accordingly you could choose that. So study hard, all right, get yourself an exposure to many topics, many subjects: economics, science, physics, sociology, history. Because when history and political science also work you when you are arguing, all right, when you argue uh, in the courtroom, then to form arguments, to form persuasive arguments, to persuade the court, you could give example that would help you. Like if you are a student of psychology, then dealing with judges, like how to get yourself any favor when you want or you are in trouble, or to guide your or to counsel your clients, psychology would help you subject. So law is any profession which is suitable to anybody who is ready to work hard and who has command over language. So this is second point which you should work upon. First is your command over language. Second, you should get exposure to uh, as many things many topics as you could. And third is that key, if you want to go for a firm, litigation firm, all right, or a corporate, basically firm, then you should try to at least write articles or and get them published in columns, magazines, manuals, whatever it is, wherever you found. Uh, Talk to your mentors in college, talk to your PIC ma'am to get to start a magazine so that you could publish your articles in there. So this is what you have to do, because when you will add that you have published, you have got your articles published in the manuals or in any e-generals, then it would add value to your CV, all right, when you would be applying for a job. And if you want to be into judiciary, then you should study law hard, all right, it is a competitive exam, so you would be learning many things, and you should have good command over language. Then participating in moods, or if you do, it's better, and but it's not much required in if you want to go for judiciary. And if you want to become an independent litigator, or sometime down the line in your career you want to be an independent litigator, then the same thing, you have to be well versed with the laws, you have to be updated with what current legal update is in any procedural laws or substantive law, whether they have Supreme Court has declared any something unconstitutional, or it has upheld some validity of not. So you have to be updated with the points. You have to be smart, all right. You have to deal many people. You have to deal different situations. You have to get judges in your favor. So you have to really work hard, all right. So keep reading, keep yourself updated with law, and study hard, and do your courses very well and complete your courses. Like if you example in your semester examination, if you have only few sections in semester examination, then complete your course, all right. You have to complete your course. Nobody would going to be help you, or nobody would come to teach you whole the syllabus. It's impossible to complete law syllabus, so you have to work out individually, keep yourself going, complete your whole syllabus, beyond syllabus, all right, beyond syllabus, not only syllabus. So, and start discussing with your friends, make a good team. I always say that if you are want to be a litigator, if you want to excel in litigation, then you have to form a good team. All right, 3 4 or 5 students, good hardworking student, then you should discuss with them what about any situation, try to research about what laws it governs, is governed by what laws, what changes have been made or not, and what's your suggestion. So when you would be researching, you would be learning many things, and try to discuss. That would help you form arguments, boost your confidence, and obviously it would sharpen your mind, and you would be learning many things. So this is all what I want to tell you in this video. We will be posting many things for you, and I would request you, please, first of all, thank you for watching this video, and I request you all, please, to share this video. Thank you.